channel, welcome. So today I'm going to be reacting to Gambi Macintosh. I have not reacted to Gambi in quite a while, so I'm super excited to get back into his music. And if you guys have not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any new reactions and more Gambi videos to come. So let me stop talking and let's get into the video. Ooh. Is that like a printed apple? Oh, I really love the flute.
Macintosh, on s'incruste dans ton bâton roulant Dodge. French la touche, récupère un gamo chez les Dutch. Sous la cheveux, y'a des chevaux, on se permet, on remplit le compte épargne, carré la maison. Aller-retour, je suis dans l'avion, je vois tous mes rêves à travers le hublot. Voilà la pétasse, on prend pas en photo nos liasses. Numéro 10, je suis sur le gazon, 2 doses de poison. J'ai Christian Dior sur les cuissons, dans Pérignon, je vole comme un oiseau. Macintosh, haute couture, French la Dutch. Macintosh, je récupère chez les Dutch. 4-4 pas cramé, on te m'écrase, tu fais pas ce que t'écris. Oh, toi t'as craqué, tu ne fais pas tout ce que tu décris. On fait les choses, quand elle me regarde, il se passe quelque chose. Vente à la sauvette, on fait la dose, la dose, la dose. On fait les choses, quand elle me regarde, il se passe quelque chose. Vente à la sauvette, on fait la dose, la dose, la dose. Allô, allô. Appel baveux pour les négos, je négocie les contrats à zéro. Business illégaux, je ramène à manger des DJ, vente de commerce, je suis à l'étranger. Ton équipe de salopes ne me fait pas peur, hein. De toute façon, si on joue, j'ai rien à perdre. C'est celui qui a plus d'argent qui gagne la guerre. En ce moment, je loge dans le quartier des terres. Macintosh, haute couture, French la Dutch. Macintosh, je récupère chez les Dutch. 4-4 pas cramé, on te m'écrase, tu fais pas ce que t'écris. Oh, toi t'as craqué, tu ne fais pas tout ce que tu décris. On fait les choses, quand elle me regarde, il se passe quelque chose. Vente à la sauvette, on fait la dose, la dose, la dose. On fait les choses, quand elle me regarde, il se passe quelque chose. Vente à la sauvette, on fait la dose, la dose, la dose.
Why don't like it's fucking glitching? That's so cool. Wow, that was such a cool, like, vibey song. And like vibey isn't like in the way that it's like has such a cool high energy vibe, and the video was so dope as well. It's kind of like Matrixy, you know, like he's stuck in like a computerized world and there's just like a bunch of clones and glitching everywhere, which I thought was so dope. The rapid movements, like, whoa. It has such a dope bass and I loved it. I loved the vibe and I really liked how he was delivering his lines. It sounded so good. His songs are always very high energy and I loved it. And I'm just like thinking now, like, why did I take so long to react to more of his stuff? Like, what? I need to do more of his songs because they always just make you like wanna dance and just like vibe to them and just like put you in a good energy. And it was so dope. It didn't have subtitles or an auto translation, which sucks. I only understood Macintosh, which is the title of the song. But other than that, I have no idea what he said, but he sounded so good. I hope you guys like the video. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you know when I post next. And at 10,000, of course, remember, there's gonna be a Patreon. So in the comments, tell me what you guys want from that Patreon. And remember, on Mondays, I do Fresh Out Mondays, where I react to new upcoming artists or artists that are not as well known. So don't forget to tell me what new artists you want me to react to. And on Tuesdays, I am doing Talent Show Tuesdays. So tell me what is your favorite audition from your favorite talent show. And on Thursdays, I do Throwback Thursdays. So tell me what is your favorite throwback song. And on Fridays, I do Female Fridays. So tell me what is your favorite female artist and what song by them do you love. That is all on my part, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye!